beta, an athlete covers certain distance in 30 minutes at uniform speed of 12 km per hour. By how much he must increase his speed so as to cover the same distance 5 minutes early. Okay, an athlete covers a distance in 30 minutes at a uniform speed. Speed is how much beta? Speed is equal to 12 km per hour. Okay, and in how much minute time he is covering? Suppose distance is equal to beta, distance we have not given, time in how much time he is completing? 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes. You see that if we are calculating, then here speed is given 12 km per hour, so this time also should be in hours. So what we will do, we will convert this 30 minute into hour. So how much it will be? 30 divided by 60 is equal to 1/2 hour. Okay, now find the distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. So distance is equal to, speed is how much? 12 km per hour multiplied by time. Time is 1/2 hour. Okay, so distance is how much beta? 6 km. Okay, and RR will also become cancelled. So distance is equal to 6 km. Now what he is saying, an athlete covers a distance in, this has completed. By how much he must increase his speed? Okay, now speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance we have calculated 6 km. Now he is saying how much he should increase his speed. Okay, previously what was the speed? 12 km. Let suppose he will increase his speed is equal to x km per hour. Okay, are you getting it? If he will, he is saying that by how much he should increase his speed so that the same distance, how much distance? What is the same distance? Means 6 km distance. He will, this time he will cover 5 minutes early. Previously he was covering in how many minutes? 30 minutes. Means this time in how many minutes he should complete his distance? 5 minutes early means 30 minus 5, 25 minutes mein. Okay, in how many minutes he should complete his distance? In 25 minutes. Now see that speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed, how much he will increase? Previously speed was 12 km per hour. 12. Suppose he is increasing his speed x km. So 12 plus x is equal to, distance is how much? 6 km divided by, in 5 minutes early he has to complete. 5 minutes early means 25 upon 60 hours. Yes or no? 5 minutes early means 5 minutes early means 30 minus 5 is equal to 25 minutes. In 25 minutes he should complete. 25 upon 60 hour minute. If you will complete 25 minutes into hour, how much it will come? 25 upon 60 hour. Okay, now see it. 12 plus x is equal to 6 into 60. It will go in the numerator divided by 25. Okay, so see that 12 plus x is equal to, cancel it, 12 5 ja 60 and 5 12 ja 60 and 5 5 ja 25. 12 plus x is equal to 72 upon 5. Okay, 72 upon 5. Now see that x is equal to 72 upon 5 or minus 12. Okay, so x is equal to 72 minus 12 5 ja 60 whole upon 12. I have taken LCM here. Okay, so x is equal to 12 upon, sorry, 5 will be here, 12 upon 5. So x is equal to 2.4 kilometer. It will be your answer. X is equal to 2.4 kilometer. It will be your answer. Okay. Now come to the next question. See that. Now see that beta. What is the 8th question? The distance between two stations is 300 kilometer. Okay. Two motorists start simultaneously from their stations and move towards each other. Okay. They are moving towards each other in this way. He is moving in this. This is the distance between these 300 kilometer. Okay. And one is moving in this direction and another is also moving in this direction. After 2 hours, suppose after 2 hours, okay, and what he is saying that, see that beta, after simultaneously from their station and move towards each other, the speed of one of them is 7 kilometers. Suppose he is starting from A and he is starting from B. One of them is 7 kilometer more than the speed of the other. Let the speed of first is equal to x kilometer per hour and speed of second is equal to 7 kilometer more than the speed of the other, means x plus 7 kilometer per hour. Okay, suppose its speed is, motorist A speed is x kilometer per hour and second one speed is x plus 7 kilometer per hour. Okay, after 2 hours, beta, 2 hours, I have written 2 hours, so it will also after 2 hours. Okay, the distance between them is 34 kilometers. Suppose this distance remains 34 kilometers after 2 hours. Okay, just wait. See that now, after 2 hours, suppose this distance remains 34 kilometers. Okay, this distance remains 34 kilometers. Okay, now see that beta, what will happen? Just see here. What was the total distance between them? 300 kilometer. What was the total distance between them? 300 kilometer. Okay, speed of first motorist we have taken as x kilometer per hour and speed of second one we have taken as, according to the question, x plus 7 kilometer per hour. Okay beta, now see that speed is equal to beta distance upon time. Okay, so distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, so d1 means for first one is equal to, speed is how much? X, and time will be 2 hour. Okay, so d1 is equal to 2x kilometer. Okay beta, so d2 up to here to here to here, it will be as d1, here to here it will be as d2. Okay, here to here it will be as d2. So d2 is equal to speed into time t2. d2 is equal to, speed is how much? X plus 7 into time for it after 2 hours for both of them. So d2 is equal to 2 into x plus 7. Okay beta, total distance is equal to 300 kilometer. Now see that after 2 hours, suppose he will come in this position, and distance between them is remain 34 kilometer. If we will add them from here, d1 plus 34 plus d2, so how much it should be equal to 300 kilometer? Yes or no? Are you getting it? d1 plus 34 plus d2 is equal to 300 kilometer. Now see that d1 distance covered by, see that now, distance covered by first plus 34 plus distance covered by second is equal to total 300 kilometer. Yes or no? Okay, so distance covered by first one is how much beta? Just now after 2 hours we have calculated 2x kilometer. So 2x plus 34 plus 2 into x plus 7 is equal to how much? 300 kilometer. So 2x plus 14 plus 34 is equal to 300 kilometer. So 4x plus 4 plus 4 3 plus 1 48 is equal to beta 300 kilometer. Okay, is equal to 300 kilometer. So 4x is equal to 300 minus 48. So 4x is equal to beta 252 kilometer. Okay, so x is equal to 252 upon 4. Now make it cancel. 4 6 ja 24 और 4 3 जा 12. So x is equal to 63 kilometer. X is equal to find the speed first one 63 kilometer per hour. Okay, so speed of second one how much it was? X plus 7 kilometer per hour. Okay, so see that 63 plus 7 is equal to 70 kilometer per hour. So maybe everybody of you have understood. If suppose you will not be able to understand, so see the video more and more time so that you may understand the problem. Okay, just enough for today beta. In next class we will discuss from the question number 9 onwards. Till that, thank you and have a good day to all of you.